Okay, third graders, I am so excited about this next part. So you're going to choose one of these three words: perseverance, responsibility, kindness. You're going to create a short film starring you as the main character. You're going to demonstrate your understanding of what a central message is by choosing one of these three themes that your movie is going to be about. So if you choose perseverance to create a short film, this means someone who never gives up even when facing difficult times. So your theme of your movie is going to be all about perseverance and how to never give up even during difficult times. So, just like Clara, how she showed perseverance and never giving up and wanting women to strike and fighting for the rights, even though it got difficult and she was hurt and she was thrown into jail, she still persevered to fight for those rights. Responsibility. So, now if you choose responsibility to be your main theme in your movie, then it's going to be about someone who does the things you are expected to do without being asked. So you're going to show responsibility throughout your movie that you have created. The last word that you can choose for your last theme of your movie you could do is kindness. So kindness is someone who are generous and considerate to others. So your job is to choose one of these three words and create a movie showing us how your main character in your movie is either going to show perseverance, responsibility, or kindness. Good luck, and I cannot wait to see your movies. And I'm so excited